In this video, let me show you how to use the Chime My Pay early wage access feature. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now this is a feature that allows you to access up to $500 of your pay before the actual scheduled payday. In order to use this feature, you'll need to first of all check your eligibility, which is you need to be at least 18 years of age and you need to live in an eligible state. Now the way that you use it is you can just head over to the My Pay section that should be visible on the home screen. If you scroll down a bit, and then you can just tap on the Get Money section to request the advance payment that you want. But before that, you can also take a look at the credit limit that you currently have. It can range anywhere from $20 to $500. So make sure you check that first of all, and then simply tap on the Get Money option and then add in the total amount of money that you want to receive. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the MyPay early wage feature. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.